my name is Marina and today I'm going to teach you how to play Riptide by Ben's Joy with the ukulele. First of all, the ukulele is formed by 4 strings, which are these things here, and frets, which are these holes here. We will do 3 chords, and the first chord is the chord of A minor. We will put our first finger on the first string of the second fret. Then we will do the chord of G. We will take our first finger, put it in the second string of the second fret, then the second finger on the last string of the second fret, and then our third finger on the fourth string of the third fret. And then we will take our third finger, put it in the last string of the third fret. This is the chord of C. And now I'm going to explain you the rhythm. The rhythm will be down, down, up, down. We change the chord, down, down, up, down, and we change the chord again. With the chord of C, we will do it twice. Down, down, up, down. And now I'm going to sing a part of the song. I swear she's just from the screen. Close the things on me to that you've never seen. Oh,